Welcome to Activity 36. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with two-part bonds for the wholes of 6, 7, 8 and 9, and then applying these to addition and subtraction equations that we say verbally. Today I'm going to model this activity using 6 as a whole. We could repeat it a different day using 7, 8 or 9. Because I'm using 6, I will need 6 two-sided counters and 2 of each bond block from 1 to 6 placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. I have Karis here to play with me today.
Hello.
I'll go first as player 1 and I can see 2 add 4 equals 6 and I say 2 add 4 equals 6. I pick up the 2 and 4. I could have also said 4 add 2. When I give the counters to Karis for her turn, I say the whole take away one coloured part equals the other. So I'd say 6 take away 2 equals 4. And then I'll give Karis the 4. Player 2's turn.
3 add 3 equals 6.
Great. And then you give them back to me.
6 take away 3 equals 3.
Excellent. My turn. And I also get 3 add 3 equals 6. Unfortunately, Karis has already taken those blocks, so for my second turn, I get 0. And I will give them to her saying 6 take away 3 equals 3. And your turn.
Four add 2 equals 6.
Great. And again, you could do 4 add 2 or 2 add 4, it doesn't matter.
6 take away 2 equals 4.
Great. Thank you very much. Round 3. And I got 2 add 4 equals 6. And again, I get no blocks for round 3. You'll go and I'll say 6 take away 4 equals 2. Your turn.
Four add 2 equals 6. But we've got all the 4 add 2s.
Great. So give them back to me as subtraction.
Okay. 6 take away 2 equals 4.
Well done. Now, last round, round 4. Hopefully, I can get a 0 and 6 or a 1 and 5. Oh, yes, finally. Okay, 1 add 5 equals 6, and I can place some blocks. And I'll say to you, 6 take away 5 equals 1. Your turn. So far it's a draw. We've got 2 rows filled each. If Karis can make this one, she wins. Oh, I'll put them back in range.
No. 3 add 3 equals 6.
And it's a draw. We both filled 2 rows. Well done. Now it's your turn.